Alright guys, so for my brow bone area, I'm going to be using my shades by Gal Baked Hydrating Powder in Deep. That's going on my brow bone. So now I'm taking my Motives Very Deep Face Powder, and I'm going to use that as a, call it a transitional color, but not really. I just wanted to deepen my crease a little bit. I'm sorry guys. I'm sorry. He's in my hand. Yeah, so I'm just deepening my crease a little bit using the brush from our Poem in Paradise, which has been discontinued. Then I'm going to take my brown Mary Kay eyeshadow and I'm putting that in my crease. Please look in the description bar below. There is a link to everything that I use is on my website, Rochester.com. So if you click that link in the description bar below, you'll see the names of the colors that I use. But these are the colors I use, and I chose to use that brown to put on the outside to kind of deepen the outside a little bit. Then this purple to give the eye a little color. And guys, I've been using purple like crazy. I think white papito. Jonathan, no papi, you know do. So I'm putting this on the outside of my eyes again because, as you know, I have the hooded eyes and I love putting colors on the outside. And I'm going to take this blue and I'm going to put there as well just to add a little bit of color to the eyes because it was looking kind of purpley but really, really dark. And I didn't really want that. So I'm adding the blue to add a little bit of definition to the eyes. And again, most of the color is going on the outside of the eyes because I have hooded eyes. So I like when... Guys, I'm sorry if this annoys you with my son being in the clip. I'm sorry. I gotta do what I gotta do, but I still love you though. So I'm going back in with the purple because I'm like, but I want my purple though. And then I'm like, okay, I see you. So I said this with the purple pulling through, right? So that's what I'm doing right now. And again, most of the color is on the outside, and then I'm feathering it in, or rather pulling the color in to the inner part of my eyes, but keeping the bulk of the color on the outside. And I'm using my angled fluffy brush that I used to apply my brow bone color, and I'm using the angle of it, the highest part of the brush, to blend out. So now I'm going back in and I'm taking the blue and I'm putting it right on that ear of my eyes for the blue to come out a little bit more. Guys, I realized that I've been putting eyeshadow right there on my eyes, and I like how it looks. I like it. I kind of like it. It brings more color to the eyes, to us hooded eye divas. To us hooded eyes. I don't know. I got nothing. So I'm taking my baked hydrating powder and I'm putting that all over the lid to add color to the eyes. Notice I did not use a lot of things. The same thing that I used to do your low lighting or your contour. You can use in your crease, and I can just grab two colors even if you want to. Right? So I didn't use a lot for this makeup tutorial at all. So now what, I just move the brush while I was just blending out on my brow bone area. Then I'm taking my Mary Kay mascara, Bobo. It is so fierce. I love this mascara. I'm just using it to remove some of the eyeshadow so that when my eyelashes go on there, it don't see the eyeshadow underneath. Then I'm just wiping it off a little bit because I took too much up, and I'm putting this eyeshadow, this Mary Kay eyeshadow, on my happy area. Now I'm lining my eyes using my, I think it's the Jordana pencil. And notice again, I've been doing this lately and I have not seen anybody do this on YouTube. I mean, it just may be me. If you have, please tell me who it is in the description bar below. But because again I have a hooded eyes, I bring the drama to that part of my eyes. I don't go on my lid because it cuts my eyes off, and I zoomed in a little bit for you guys so you can see exactly what I'm doing. But I do it low, see that, and it's nice and dramatic, and I still have space on my eyes. So next I'm going in with my rose gold eyeshadow and I'm putting it right there on my happy area over the white part because I'm like, I don't know, I don't like how the white looks, papito. So I just use that, and that's just it. Whenever I do my makeup, I rarely have anything planned. The only thing I have planned are probably the colors that I want to use. So now I'm brushing off. Guys, I've had this baking on for about half an hour because, you know guys, I've said this before, anytime I'm baking, I'm always getting Jonathan ready. I'm bathing him, feeding him, I'm making breakfast, something. I'm always doing something while I'm baking. So look at that. God damn, Diva, you is fierce, honey. And you're going to see me pat my face in this video. That's because I was literally sweating. This is God sent, my Iman Afterglow. And I could have, looking back at the clip, I could have just gone out with the Iman Afterglow, but you know, mama likes her drama. Look at me patting. I'm telling you, I had this baking on for a while because I got works to do, henty. Yes, I had this on for about half an hour, 45 minutes, no joke. And look at that, oh, look at that smile, screenshot. Then I use the other side, papito, to put it on my face, honey. Bringing that glow, honey. Bringing you that glow, baby. Yes. I don't know what accent that was, but yes. I'm showing it my regular highlight routine. Now I'm going in with rose gold. Boom! Bang! Look, dear. Look at that. Look at Jesus. Look at the light. Look at the Holy Ghost. It looks so good. Look. My smile is brighter. My Smile Bright kit is on point. Use the code SMILE61, shameless plug, to get a kit for $25 instead of $99. And I'm just showing you, I'm leaving this part out real time as well to show you guys my highlighting routine. This is what I do when I highlight. And this nose highlight, you guys, there is something to it. I love it. I know it's a fad. I know everybody does it on YouTube, but it has something with it, honey. So my blush is Cinnamon Spice by Jordana. Okay, yes, honey, you better put it on, baby. Put it on. Put it on. Put it on. Put it on. And the Jordana blushes are really easy to work with. They're not hard to work with at all. Loves me some Jordana blush, papito. And then I am just taking my, it's sometimes under my eyes, I'm not sure if you guys can see, but it starts to get like, you know, when they cry and they have tear stains, the eyeshadow, the powder, when I bake so long, starts to give me a tear stain there, and I just blend it out with the brush that I just made. So that's what I was doing. Now this, I forgot what color I'm wearing on my lips. It's going to be in the description bar below though. I tell you, LyricRochester.com has my tutorials and products that I use and picture of them, you know, if you're like a picture person, and that's easy for you to remember. So I'm putting that on my lips. It's by Jordana, and everything that I'm using can be found at Fontana Pharmacy except the baking. That's Ben Nye banana powder that I used to bake. And those lashes aren't yet released. They're called Fashionista lashes, and they're by my line Pum by Lyric. You guys are going to freak when you see the packaging for our mink lashes, honey. Yes, boo. Yes, mama's been working, honey. And I'm going to be spraying my, what's that, Urban Decay setting spray. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video. Color drastically changed. Thank you for watching this makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. My eyebrow routine, my foundation routine, my contouring routine will be linked in the description bar below. Thank you so much for your support. You guys have been absolutely amazing to me, and I love you guys. I love your support. For PoeMyByLyric.com, I thank you guys who are coming to the classes that I'm having in June. You guys are doing the darn thing. I love you guys, and toodles.